How to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app. Make sure that you log into your account. And before that, update your Instagram app so that you can enjoy all the latest applications feature. Now tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. And you will access setting and activity page where you need to scroll down and look for the option of data uses and media quality. Open it and make sure that you turn off data saver button. So when this data saver is turned on, video won't load in advance to help you use less data. So when it is turned off, the videos will automatically scroll on Instagram Reels. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.